Today we are creating a clean, long, harsh shadow that makes your text look more like a real object than a flat graphic. Hey, I'm MengChi, a creative designer at MengDesign. I used to struggle with visual expression, and my design didn't always look the way I imagined. That's why I started this channel to share what I have learned and discovered, so you can design with confidence. Here's the core part for this video. The 3D text shadow we are making in Figma is fully non-destructive and updates when you change the text. There's just a small setup you need to get right, so make sure you watch till the end. To follow along easily, grab the starter file link below. Everything is set up so you can learn by doing. Let's get started. We'll start with the design from the link right here. To start, grab this No More text field, then open the Draw panel, select Linear Repeat at the top right. Set repeat count to 2 and gap to 1 unit. Duplicate a row and offset it slightly forward. To add a bit more dimension, we'll apply a subtle vertical skew. Group the two rows, open the Skew plugin, and set the vertical slider to -10 degrees. Before we generate the shadow, let's place the Skew text inside the design frame. Then scale it up to around 1000 pixel height. So later when we apply text shadow, we can instantly see how it affects the hero design. Now open the Oblique plugin. Select the field layer and pick a color, then turn on the group projection, so everything can stay tidy here. I'm turning off auto update because this graphic is fairly large. I only want it to update when I actually need to preview the effect. Set the angle to 15 degrees and the copy amount to 400. Then click projection. Now you can see the result. And the layers panel also group all the projection together. So what if you want to change the text or adjust the alignments? Well, as long as the plugin stays open, everything is still alive. Move things around, edit the text, adjust spacing, then click Update to refresh the shadow. Once you're happy with it, you can close the plugin. And that's it! We just make an attention-grabbing text graphic that you can drop straight into your next client project. How would you use this hard long shadow in your design? Let me know in the comments. If this gives you a creative spark, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who will enjoy learning design this way. And if you want more text effects, check out these two tutorials here, Halftone Text Shading and Skewed Warp Text. They are both simple and really fun to use in website design. I'm MengChi. See you there.